Hot tub friends, listen up. Whether you have a fully decked out hot tub or you're balling on a budget, you want to make sure that you're treating it with care. And this hot tub starter kit with AquaDoc is super convenient.
Is everything you need to get balanced, crystal clear water. This is AquaDoc's Chlorine Starter Kit. If you have chlorine sanitized hot tub, you need to get this.
You can use the pH increaser and decreaser to balance your pH levels. You can use the Alkalinity Booster to raise alkalinity levels and prevent pH fluctuations.
This metal prevent will keep metals from oxidizing and preventing stains. Use the calcium increaser to prevent corrosion and scale buildup. This spa clarifier is my absolute favorite. This clears cloudy water and makes your water crystal clear.
And if you have too much foam, the spa Defoamer gets the foam out of your hot tub super fast. It also comes with test strips that are super easy to use and super easy to read. And then use this oxidizing shock to give your sanitizer a boost. It helps break down oils and other organics in the hot tub water. AquaDoc is the only brand of chemicals that I'll use on my hot tub because it's paraben and aluminum free. I highly recommend you check it out.